Here is the question for you. Do you know the true meaning of democracy? If you do, you should be asking yourself, do I really live in a democratic country or not? What actually is the meaning of democracy? It means a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. And this has been indicated in the constitution of the country, where it was mentioned very clearly in the preamble of the constitution, which says that we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, equality, liberty, and to promote among them all fraternity. The framers of the Constitution of India had been assigned with the duty and responsibility to prepare and draft a constitution for the people and their welfare and well-being. However, when we look at the manner in which people are behaving in the present day, it appears that people are not fully aware of the essence of democracy. They have been made to be mere subjects of the ruling class only. Therefore, if you feel that your rights are being violated and your power have been stolen away, this is the time where you need to rise up and stand up against the ruling class and restore back the power of the people to the people. Thank you.